Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great granddad's day. Out here walking. It's nighttime. I like it. It's rather calming. You dig? Look at this, y'all. We doing this. Yo, what the frick is going on? Is it like for the protesters, the Black Lives Matter? Oh, it must be some Black Lives Matter meeting or something. Remember, cause if y'all saw the last video. Oh, that's what it is. Yeah, you feel me? But it's like this though. Y'all see? Look. So thumbnail. Maybe not, who knows. But like I was saying is though, like, you know what I'm saying? Why they only doing the black? I'm not even black. But y'all with a book of 101 consultation, you can do this by sending us a DM on Instagram by Healing Through Inspiration. Or you can just email us at info@healingthroughinspiration. This is crazy. What are they protesting? They just standing there, bro. I mean, I wish, I wish I could just say something. Yeah, that's what the police is here for, guys. I wish I could just kind of say something to them. Like, they recording it too. I wish I could just say something to them, like, hey, instead of, this stuff has to be rather economic wise. Why not they just support my business? You dig what I'm saying? Oh, that's the news and the media. Okay. I mean, it's George Soros, so I don't know what to say to him. It's freaking George Soros. Like, they're not here to benefit us, like, at all. There goes Fox car over there. Y'all see the white one with the blue decal. You guys are gonna see in a minute. I mean, just holding up a sign, it's not accomplishing anything. They're in a freaking parking lot. Like, what the frick? And it's on news. Like, I mean, how asinine is that, man? I told them, like, if they really want to help us, hey, I would tell them, hey, shop from healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Like, that's how. That's how, if you really want to, because this is a money type of thing. They attack, this attack is done financial wise, man. Golly. This wasn't even what I would have planned on talking about, because I wanted to talk to you about something else, but it's just like I see that and it's live too, so it's like, frick. What do they expect? And like I said, I wasn't black because it's like, what color is my skin? I'm about to wear feathers up. We're not just talking it, we're actually living it. You dig? American pride. So I just don't know. What to do, like, as far as what else. Oh, there goes more police. I just don't know what else can they really see, really say. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what else they're really headed for. I really hope not. You dig what I'm saying? They go right there. Feel me? They doing this just chilling. Freaking chilling. Ain't nothing going on. It was only like a few people protesting it, but I'm just like, That's not how you accomplish anything. How many years have they been saying it? Like, what is the Black Lives Matter? You know, what is this? How many, where's the money that the donations going to from Black Lives Matter? Where is it going, yo? Somebody tell me. All these hoods, all these hoods, all these places, all these undeveloped cities, poor places, poverty. Why aren't they rebuilding that? Why aren't they building up any learning institutions? Huh? Why aren't they giving y'all money? Why aren't they giving like money for companies? As far as the right companies, because you know there's been a lot of scams with that. But come on now, like this is ridiculous. It's like, and you know what, I say this too, because I used to follow that until I started to read it, until I started, do my research. And I saw from the owner, one of the co-founders, the Black female, she said that she's for women, children, and transvestites. I said, whoa. Not too much men they even talked about. And then transvestites, you talking about Black Lives Matter. Transvestites, they don't produce children. It's not natural, so that's not life. It really isn't. That's even death itself. That's even death. It's anything other than it's the opposite of life is death. So that'll be death. So there really is a contradiction that they're really for Black life. And that's already excluding. This is already excluding, not even going into the black part, because black means dead. Black means pale. They call you black because you're dead. They kill you because you're dead. You said that you're dead. You said that you're pale. I'm not pale. I'm copper colored. I'm brown. I'm American. This be the American continent, and my ancestors be from this land, and I be the American. I be the American. My people have always been here. You can go look at the documentation. Many photos. You guys have seen this. We dropped the content on our Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. Come on now. Man, oh man. Man, I plan on talking about my dry fast. Being the day one still. I'm gonna dry fast and how I was feeling, and I'll be spacious with the thoughts. But I wanted to capture that. And shoot, man. Show us something, y'all. But y'all know if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can just DM us on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. Day 1 of day 10 of our dry fast. No food or water. Let's get it, y'all. And by the way, what store, if you guys want to know how I left before, if you guys saw in the last video, I said I left, I went in there with, I went to go get some dog food, getting dog treats and stuff. I wanted to take care of my dog, I wanted to make sure, he's happy and stuff. He's already happy without the treats and stuff, but I just wanted to give him some treats in case I want to teach him something, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Hey. This is something. But what I'm going to say is this. Oh, I went in there with no mask, by the way. Still no mask. Anyways, you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. Peace.